Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be sharing with you my pre-relaxer wash day routine. So basically everything I do prior to relaxer day. Enough of chit chat and let's get right into the video. First, I pre-part my hair into 4 sections. And go ahead to do a hot oil treatment. It's a mixture of the following on the screen, and I go ahead to apply it to my scalp and hair and massage it in. I also go ahead to cover my hair in a shower cap. I then go ahead to leave it in for about 10 minutes before washing it off. So to wash my hair, I am using the Mega Good Condition shampoo. It contains protein which I love and my hair needs to reduce damaged hair strands. And I go ahead to use it twice, then I rinse off. Next, I go in with the Mega Good Tangling Conditioner and apply it to my hair and scalp. Then massage it in, tangle my hair before going ahead to rinse it off. I went ahead to t-shirt dry off camera and I go in with the Mega Good Leave-In Conditioner. I love it because it has protein and is also moisturizing. I go ahead to use an Argan oil treatment. My hair loves it and I go in with about 2 pumps and massage it in. Lastly is my heat protectant. I just basically spray it in my hair, then go ahead to be dry. And guys, that is it. I go ahead to pack my hair and I love the end result. And yeah guys, this is my routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and be sure to let me know in the comment section down below what your pre-relaxer was the routine is like. And be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Be on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record.